Hola, yo soy el padrón de la salsa town. I am your host, Maître and I will be guiding you through how to make some bomb salsa.
Bomb diggity.
Step 1, get your onions. Now, I don't expect kids to do this, because they can't use the big boy knife. I can though, because I'm responsible.
Do you hunt that? Use that to hunt gators?
No, this is my salsa knife.
Oh.
You gotta slice off the ends. Yeah. Alright, slice off the other end. Yeah. You wanna kind of slice in here. You wanna break past that.
Can you move this arm real quick? Just pick it up, just kind of. Okay, we're good.
Alright, then you kind of want to remove that outer layer, you know. Yeah, onion. Alright, you just rip it off and keep on ripping and gripping and nip slipping and all of that. Alright, so then you want to stand it up like this and you want to cut that in half.
Cut the onion big time.
Cut that. That was just I don't know what we're gonna call her. It was a
Bertha.
Bertha, yeah. Berthas are made. Alright, so you gotta throw your apple slices in here.
Apple slices.
That's what they look like to me. Alright, so then you gotta,
Aren't they onions?
They could be. You wanna bite?
Tasty onion.
It's the layer.
Yeah, the layers taste the best.
The outer layers. So, let's plug in my portable food processor.
You don't just do this by hand?
No.
Why is that?
Because I'm not pathetic. I'm a master chef here. I know what I'm doing.
Oh, okay. You know that, what's that guy?
Watch it disintegrate. Does that look like a fine?
I don't know. Yeah, it looks pretty pasty to me. Hey, don't you need some big bowl for your salsa?
Compare it. Wait.
Yeah, that looks pretty pasty.
Pretty pasty. Alright. So we pick this up. Set that down.
He's removing the lid.
Alright.
Smells like onion.
Just like mommy's taters. Alright.
Is that a liquid?
Basically.
Reeks of onion in here.
Oh god.
I feel like I'm on an ogre farm.
An ogre farm?
Yeah, they feed them onions. They feed the ogres onions. So they have to grow, the ogres grow the onions.
Give me a second, I need it.
That, you know. Hurry up, kid. Come on, Maître D. Mike. You're making a mess.
I'm trying to get it out.
Well, quit making a mess then. You idiot.
That's good enough.
Be quiet, Bertha.
Fine.
We don't need your input. You're just a maid. Woman.
Stupid women. Just because they spend all the time in the kitchen don't mean nothing.
What are you doing now?
You gotta scoop out my onion bits.
No, that's not. You can't put that in there. It's not all. It's. Oh my god. You're an idiot.
I'll get blended up later.
You're okay. I think you got enough onions.
Alright. So we put this bad boy right back on there. And we get back to the process. So, we're gonna put our onions to the side. Now we got our big beefy tomatoes.
What does that bottle say?
Don't know, can't read.
Here, I'll read it for you. Vodka. Why'd you write it on there? You
I
idiot.
can't write. I can't read. I don't know if anything's being written.
Well, okay then.
Alright, just wipe that off. You gotta
Ow.
chop off end.
Quit chopping off the ends, kid.
Chop off end.
Maître D. Mike, you're making a fool of yourself.
Alright, and this is where it gets to. This is the prime time. This is the big league.
Oh, those tomato cuts look real uneven. You sure you're a Maître D?
Yo soy the Maître D.
Gordon Ramsay has a Maître D.
I'm better than him.
I don't know about that. I think that he's worse than you.
He is worse.
Oh, okay.
So usually I'd have a sous chef prepare this for me, but I felt like doing an original today.
Doing it all on your own?
Like a real man.
That's good. Money. Do you make a lot of money off of this?
Those were the ends. There we go.
Money?
This isn't all about money. This is about passion.
Well, do you make money?
I'll make all the money in the world.
Barry, what are you doing? Barry, what are you doing? Barry, there's nothing down there for you.
You know, if you think about it, this is kind of like that video. They did surgery on a grape.
How many of these tomatoes do you need?
Quite a few. If you'd like, you can pause it here, and I'll be done.
Okay,
In a jiffy.
when we're done cutting up all the tomatoes, we'll be back.